Today we're going to talk about something really important: how to come up with the perfect name for your new business. Did you know that a good name can help your business stand out and be remembered? It's true. You want your logo to make the best first impression it can. So to not worry about this step anymore, I'll be helping you in this process. I'll go into how I would come up with a name step by step, and by the end you'll be able to master coming up with any business name. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the exciting world of starting your own business. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started on this fun and creative journey. So first off, the power of a great name. Choosing the right name for your business is super important. It's like giving your business its own special identity, just like how your name makes you unique. A great name can tell people what your business is all about and make them curious to learn more. This name will be everywhere related to your business, like website, business cards, shirts, and more. So let me help you in this process so you can jump to the next bigger steps of starting and growing a business. Let's start by brainstorming some cool ideas for our business name. Think about what your business does and what makes it special. For example, if you're going to help people with their tile and grout, you might want to think about words like tile, grout, cleaning, and restorations. Just write down all the words that come to your mind. Don't overcomplicate your name. Come up with something simple and effective. Now let's talk about what makes a name really great. It should be easy to remember, like your favorite song or Marvel character. The name should give people an idea of what your business does. For example, if you're all about tile and grout, the name should have something to do with that. And then it's super important that the name is unique and not too similar to other businesses. We want our business to stand out. Let's mix and match the words we thought of to create some really cool combinations. How about Scottsdale Grout Cleaning or AZ Tile Restorations? We can even make up a word like Resto Grout. Now after doing this, let's pick our top 3 names and test them out. We can ask our family, friends, or even our neighbors what they think. Which of those names makes them think of a clean, fresh floor? And after all that brainstorming and testing, we finally got it. Our new tile and grout cleaning service business will be called Resto Grout. It's fun, easy to remember, and it tells everyone that we're here to help their grout sparkle. So the right business name can make or break your company. Here are 5 proven and essential insights on how to name your company. First, avoid hard to spell names. You don't want potential customers getting confused about how to find your business online. Second, don't pick a name that could be limiting as your business grows. Picking too narrow of a name may cause you problems down the road. And third, conduct a thorough internet research. Once you have determined a name you like, do a web search on that name. And fourth, get feedback on the name. So come up with 5 or 10 names and then run them by friends, family members, and trusted colleagues. And then fifth, final, is make sure the name sounds good when said out loud. Sometimes names seem fine on paper but sound terrible when said out loud. I came up with my business name fairly quick, and it will mean more over time as more people find out about it. I personally get compliments on my business name and that they call just because they enjoy the sound of it. So don't get caught up too long with figuring out the perfect business name, since you need to build a brand and reputation around that first, and it won't mean as much until then. Thanks for joining me on this name finding adventure today. Remember, picking a name is super important, but it's also okay to have fun with it. Be creative and don't be afraid to ask for help. And if you're struggling with creating a business logo, check out this video here next. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. I'll see you next time.